Welcome back. Let me welcome in our market panel right now. Waqar Naqvi, CEO, Taurus Mutual Fund, joins us. So does Piyush Garg, CIO at ICICI Securities. Morning to both you gentlemen. Let me start with you, Waqar, first. People are questioning the pace of this rally now. Are you getting that sense from the institutional flows that you deal with?
Yeah, good morning to you, Namrata, first. And we definitely are concerned at the pace at which the rally has happened. Simultaneously, it is true that if you recall, a lot of people have been saying, I was also on your show a few months back saying that it would be a liquidity-driven rally, and it appears to be a liquidity-driven rally at this point in time. Very clearly, it's a case of valuations being stretched. We are concerned about the valuations, however, the liquidity doesn't seem to be stopping. So while the technicals are weak, we feel that the markets might still run up some more, might see a few corrections, but the undertone is extremely, extremely bullish. Okay. Yes, but it has run up too fast for comfort.
Okay, we take stock of how we're doing right now. The Sensex 16,584, it's down about 0.75%, and the Nifty at 49,27, again down 0.85%. What's on the positive side on the Nifty is Power Grid Corporation. Just want to flag off a couple of stocks. Power Grid Corporation up 2%, BPCL up 1.25%, HDFC Bank holding up with a 0.5% plus gains. ITC, as Prashant had mentioned at the start of trade, holding on to its 0.5% gain. ONGC, and of course Bharti Airtel is up about ₹1.30, trading at the 415 rupee mark. That's a quick snapshot of what's happening in the market, the Sensex and the Nifty in particular. But Waqar, this is Manvi posing a question to you now. Looking at the commodity space, you know, we've seen again weakening in commodity prices, and there was overnight, and there was an expectation that this space is going to be volatile going forward. How are you playing commodities given the volatility that we're seeing?
We are using commodity stocks more from the trading perspective as of now. And you would be aware, see, we keep a core portfolio and we keep a trading portfolio. The core portfolio is something which we don't disturb and which is based on what sectors we are bullish, which stocks we feel have a considerable upside over a long period of time. Long might be anything from 2 years to 5 years, depending on various sectors and various stocks. So we are using the commodity stocks for our trading purposes and generating alpha from the commodity stocks. We are in concurrence with you that there is volatility there, but there is money also to be made there by mutual funds. But that trading has to be very fleet-footed, and we are using those opportunities.
Waqar, has there been any recent rejig in your core portfolio?
Not exactly. We have stuck to it more or less. We have not really rejigged it. We would like to do it now. Although the fact remains that the upside in the current rally does appear to be another 10 to 15% before we might see something which I wouldn't like to call a correction, but which might be a slight dip in the markets. But as I say, the core is something we like to hold with conviction over a period of time. So I think our rejig is to an extent now due in our portfolios.
What would you do, Waqar, then for the rejig?
I think we would like to add more of oil and gas. We would like to increase weightages to banking to an extent now. We would like to increase weightages to an extent to IT. IT was something we were not looking at in a very bullish manner. But I think the perspective seems to have changed slightly in favor of IT. Banking also, with all this, the corporate results expected to be better than expected, the global cues which are coming in, it appears that the credit offtake should start in a decent manner in the third quarter of this FY, so banks should start looking up slowly. So we would like to increase weightages in these three sectors at least.
Okay, banking, IT and oil and gas from Taurus Mutual Fund side, and Piyush talking again about a potential 4 to 5% correction possibility. Many thanks, gentlemen, for joining us. Waqar Naqvi and Piyush Garg. Pleasure having you on Opening Moves with us.
Right. Just quickly want to flag off the subscription levels that we're getting on Eurovision and ThinkSoft Global Services. On Eurovision, it's 0.83 times, and on ThinkSoft, 0.03 times. But coming up on Opening Moves, we've